Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can boomerang on Snapchat. So basically what boomerang is a feature on Instagram story where you can, record a video and it gets played on loop and on reverse as well. So to get a boomerang on Snapchat, it's pretty simple. So watch this video till the end to know how you guys can boomerang on Snapchat as well. So shoot a video on Snapchat like this, going from right to left or left to right. So if you go to left, then make sure to end the video while coming to right. So look at my video. I go to right and I again come to left. I go to right and again come to left. So by doing this, if I play this video on loop by clicking on this button over here, click on it until you see this loop. So video is on loop. As you guys can see, once this video is on loop, it's gonna feel like you guys are boomeranging. So there is no sound in boomerang. And as you guys can see, if I play this video on loop, it basically looks like boomerang. So now we got a boomerang. Now as you guys can see, if you move to right, then you end it by coming to left. So basically like this. I go right, I go left, I go right, I come back, I go forward, I come backward, just like that. And make the video of 1 second, because boomerang can be more than 1 second. So make sure a video is of 1 second. And after you create a video like this, cut their sound off and put it on loop and send it to whoever person you want. So that's basically how you create boomerang on Snapchat. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And I'll be signing out. Have a nice day. Bye bye, and I'll see you guys on my next video.